As we age, the skin's connective tissues change and reduce in strength, which lead to a loss of elasticity. Research suggests that it may be possible to repair damaged collagen and elastin fibers in the skin. These are 4 methods to improve and restore skin elasticity. 1. Collagen supplements. 2. Retinol and retinoids. 3. Hyaluronic acid. 4. Genistein isoflavones. Collagen supplements are typically derived from animal sources, including bones, skins, and connective tissues. Some vegan sources of collagen also exist, such as algae, but these are less common. Collagen supplements usually contain hydrolyzed collagen, which is collagen that has been broken down into smaller particles. It is best to find collagen supplements that contains collagen peptides because they differ in molecular weight, with collagen peptides being smaller and more easily absorbed by the body. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and leafy greens, can also help support natural collagen production in the body. There are collagen supplements that also contain naringenin, a flavonoid found in citrus fruits. Some of its suggested benefits include antioxidant properties that may protect against sun damage, anti-inflammatory effects that may help with acne and other skin conditions, and the ability to promote collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity. Topical retinoids and alpha-hydroxy acids may help in reducing fine lines and splotches. Natural retinoids include carotenoids, which our bodies convert into usable retinoids. Foods rich in carotenoids include sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, and carrots. Other options for natural retinol include rosehip oil, bakuchiol, and granactive retinoid, which all have retinol-like effects on the skin. Glycolic acid and lactic acid are the most common AHAs used in cosmetic products for their exfoliating and moisturizing properties. They can occur naturally in fruits, sugarcane, and milk. Foods such as soy products, oranges, almonds, kale, and sweet potatoes contain nutrients that may naturally increase your body's production of hyaluronic acid. In addition, supplements containing hyaluronic acid are available, and one study found that the ingestion of hyaluronic acid supplements resulted in improved skin hydration and decreased wrinkle depth. Topical application of hyaluronic acid supplements is effective for hydrating and reducing fine lines, while research suggests that consuming hyaluronic acid may help your body produce more of it naturally and aid in replicating new skin cells, in addition to potentially easing discomfort with normal daily exercise and activity. Alternatives to hyaluronic acid include honey, aloe vera, glycerin, urea, and gamma-PGA, also known as polygamma-glutamic acid. Gamma-PGA is a polymer made up of the amino acid glutamic acid. It is a major component of the Japanese food natto and is formed by bacterial fermentation. A 2014 study found that PGA had more of a moisturizing effect than hyaluronic acid, and PGA products on the market promise to plump and hydrate the skin. It can be used in combination with other ingredients like hyaluronic acid for even better results. Genistein is a naturally occurring compound that belongs to a group of compounds known as isoflavones. It is commonly found in soybeans and other vegetables and is known to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. According to studies, genistein has been tested in anti-aging cosmetic preparations and has shown promising results for improving skin elasticity. It works by binding to estrogen receptor beta and has been shown to increase the thickness of collagen, which may contribute to improved skin elasticity and delay in skin aging. Topically applying genistein can also protect the skin from UVB-induced photodamage and has wound-healing properties. The best-known natural sources of genistein isoflavones are soy-based foods such as soy milk, soy cheese, tofu, and soy-based beverages. Non-soy sources such as currants and raisins also contain isoflavones, but in smaller amounts. Antioxidants and frequent use of moisturizers may also be beneficial to reduce fine lines. Antioxidants such as selenium and vitamin E are natural substances that can help reduce the formation of fine lines and wrinkles while protecting the skin from sun damage and skin cancer. Additionally, compounds like retinol, polyphenols, and green tea extract are also known for their antioxidant properties and can help improve skin texture and reduce signs of aging. There are several natural options for moisturizing your skin to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil can help give your skin a natural glow and radiance. Aloe vera, Avocado oil and essential oils like lavender and rosemary can also be effective moisturizers. List of natural foods to eat: citrus fruits, sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, carrots, sugar cane, milk, soybeans, soy milk, soy cheese, tofu, oranges, almonds, kale, currants, raisins. List of natural oils to use: rosehip oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, avocado oil, and essential oils like lavender and rosemary.